So guys, this is after brazing the compressor. You can see this is the compressor, though it's not brand new compressor, it's refurbished compressor. So that's one of the things I've been telling people. It's a new compressor. This compressor now is spray compressor, but they brought it that is new compressor. As a technician, you must know if compressor is a new compressor or not. So this is when I'm done brazing it. So you can see I have to change this capillary line. So this was the carry-on capillary line. So this other capillary line have a filter inside. Inside here is filter. So I have to replace it. While if you're replacing any compressor, you need to change this stuff you're seeing here. This capillary here you are seeing. So replace it with this one. So this is the one that will work it. So I'm done brazing the compressor. Can see the brazing. Can see it. So here is the brazing. This is how it's looking like. So I'll be test running the compressor and I'll be doing the connection on the terminal. So let's do the connection now. So this is the old compressor, the one that has issue. This compressor, not like it's not starting, it's starting, but it's having low pumping. It's having a low pumping. So let's do the connection. So here is the cover. Here is the cover. So so this one here, this is the common, this is the common, here is the starting, here is the starting, and here is the running. So you can see